Hey everybody, thanks for clicking in. Hey, today we're checking out a beautifully remodeled 2-bedroom, 2-bath beachfront condo. This place is nice. It's got a backup generator, on-site management, really nice walking beach, and a beautiful pool. This place is really awesome, either for full-time residents or a vacation rental. This place will make some money. Let's go check it out. All right, here's the main entrance. Now we're looking south. This is the automatic generator system, which is really nice. So if the power goes out here, you got automatic backup generator. You got the manager's office down here to the left, assigned parking. Now these are split level, 3 stories. So you got a unit below, a unit in the middle, and a unit up top. We're heading straight into the middle into unit 207. All right, let's go check it out. Right into the unit. Now you've got the guest bedroom here and the back side of the unit, kitchen, dining, living room. And then the master bedroom is right over here. But look how beautiful these tiles are all throughout the unit. Really nice. And now notice these doors are completely folded back. Most units will have like sliders. These are double folds, so they almost like a disappearing wall. They fold completely back, connecting the interior to the outside, which is super nice. And then check out this view right on the beach. Looking up the shore to the south, a little shot of Buck Island right there. Beautiful coconut palms right here, and then a great walking beach that leads straight down to the pool area. Very nice setup. Awesome little bar there. Sit there with a cocktail, take in the beautiful view. And then here we are. You can see how these are double folded. So you don't actually have to open them all the way up. If you just want to open one of the doors or 2 of the doors, you can. But it's really nice to have it completely wide open. And there, this is the door to the master bedroom, which also double folds back, so that really opens up the unit nicely. And man, you buy this place, you're gonna have that in your front yard every day. Incredible. Beautifully furnished and equipped. AC throughout, got a nice pass through there through the kitchen. And then here we are at the kitchen. Nice 2-person kitchen, all beautiful cabinets. You got the trash pull out here. Awesome glass backsplash. Now, this has the European style all-in-one washer dryer combo, which is really nice because it works great. It doesn't take up a lot of space. Awesome kitchen. Love the cabinets. Right back out of the kitchen, looking back towards the front door, and then into the guest bedroom. First, let me show you this nice big closet in here. Lots of space. Got your instant on hot water heater. You can dial up whatever temperature you want. So if you like a warm versus a hot shower, not a problem. And then here we are heading in through an opaque door for privacy, separate guest bedroom. Now, check this out. It's not just a bedroom. It's actually like its own self-contained rental unit. Because right there, you've got a little kitchenette, freezer, fridge, micro, closet to the side, AC above, a totally separate rentable unit. So if you wanted to rent this as a 2-bedroom, you can do that. Or if you want to close this door out, this becomes its own, basically, hotel suite. We're looking back at the front door. Entrance coming up from the parking area, straight into this self-contained unit. Really nice rental option. So you can rent this as a 2-bedroom unit or 2 1-bedroom units. Nice view out through the parking area, queen size bed, and again, you've got this awesome kitchenette setup, so a couple of people could easily stay very comfortable right here. All right, let's shoot back through the living room and go check out the master bedroom. Straight into the master bedroom. Nice big bedroom. Check out the size of this. King size bed. Perfect little workspace office area here. Could also make this area a little lounge if you wanted to, with that same beautiful view. Now again, these are matching doors, just like the ones off the living room. You can open just this one, or fold it all the way back, and then fold both of them against the railing there. Totally opens up the space from the bedroom all the way into the living room. I love that design. Nice big TV here, another AC, closet. Now, one thing to point out, if you close this door, you're now in the master bedroom suite with maximum privacy. But if you open this up, it provides access not only to the ensuite bath, but you have another closeout door here. Once you close that, now you've got the bonus closet access and a really sweet bathroom right off the master bedroom. Beautiful vanity, gorgeous shower, really pretty tile, glass doors, and then here we are heading right back out into the living area. Really good design, love it. All right, so that's the inside of the unit. We're gonna work our way back outside, head down to the beach, check out the pool. All right, let's do it. Okay, just came out of 207, which is right there. And now we're gonna work our way past the condominium office and the mailboxes. Got a couple of steps down here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then here you are. You got the office here for the manager. You got your mailboxes off to the right. Notes and such on the wall. Book trade rack. And then here we are right out onto the waterfront. Really beautiful day today. That's the pool over there. Units up behind us here. And then a couple more steps and we're on the beautiful Caribbean sand. Check this out. Oh yeah. Now the unit we were just looking at is right there. And then here we are down on the waterfront. Beautiful breeze. Little surfy today, but nice look down the shore. And then here we are looking back up at the complex. Sweet. All right, let's do a quick look at the pool and then we'll call it a day. All right, down the west side we come, past the foot wash, and then here we are entering the pool area. Check this out. It's a really nice pool. Big enough for laps. Lots of room to chill. Tons of lounges along the backside there. And then here we are right out on the waterfront looking at the beautiful Caribbean Sea right off your front doorstep. So beautiful and nice. All right, everybody, if you want to check it out, give us a call. We'd love to show it to you. In the meantime, have an awesome St. Croix day. Until next time, bye-bye. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that property tour. We got a lot more coming, so stay tuned. Appreciate your support. Please subscribe by clicking here. And if you want to check out more videos right now, click right there.